afternoon. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. I am going to read one of my poems from my book called Mother. Today I was given the news about you, but then I sat down to think about us too. Fright filled my heart knowing, is this decision of your life worth making? To be the mother that I need to be, knowing I have another part of me. Tears rolled down my face as life began. A new chapter of another begin to grow within. With fear, joy, happiness of what it will take, a whole new world opened right before my face. As the days progressed, 9 months later, I got to see the face of my beautiful daughter. A wonderful gift I held so dear, a mother I became in a year. I held her so tight to my heart. Looking in her eyes, I said, oh Lord, a mother and daughter together, a role that I will have forever. The emotions presented in bonding, the love, it felt so overwhelming. I cannot fathom living without her. My life now filled with lots of laughter.